Okay, once again, a very good evening to all of you. Quickly, in the chat box, I want an answer from you all. Why exactly Praveen sir has called this meeting on an urgent basis? Any idea? And in the meantime, I want every one of you, this is the third time I'm saying, kindly switch on your video. Hi, Malekar. How are you? Okay, I want an answer from you all. Shayanti is saying maybe to plan study routine for us. Okay. Others, Kasturi is saying ICB batch formation. Kasturi, ICB batch formation, I told you, I will make on the basis of prelim to result. Remember? Not on prelim 1. Okay. First of all, tell me, are we all aware that our board exams are starting from 26th of April? Aware. And just today, the ICSE timetable has come out. Even ICSE was supposed to conduct their exam in the last week of April. And their timetable is out. Their date sheet is out. It is starting from 26th April. So within a day's time or latest by next week, even CBSE will come out with their timetable. But the best part is our exams are late, right? If at all we were in the state board, our exams would have been from 15th of March. That is immediately next week, right? But the best part is our exam is not from 15th of March. It is from 26th of April. So can we take it as an advantage? Obviously, yes. But are we taking? Answer is no. ये जो 1.5 साल हम लोग ने ऑनलाइन के मजे लिए हैं ना, why I'm saying मजे लिए? Because कहीं ना कहीं सबने ऑनलाइन के नाम पे ना कॉपी किया है. एंड वो आज जब प्रीलिम 1 हुआ ऑफलाइन, उस पर दिख रहा रिजल्ट. बाय द वे, प्रीलिम 1 के पेपर्स चेक होके ब्रांच पे मैंने दे दिए हैं. And within a day's time or 2 days time, I will circulate a message also. You can go and collect your papers. And you will be shocked to see your marks. Single digit marks. And at places, you all have even got 0 out of 40. मतलब इतना मेहनत करके, you getting 0. I am not shocked. Huh? I was anticipating 0, 1, 2. Reason? Online का कमाल. And the irony is we all are fighting for the online exam. You're understanding right now why I didn't make ICB on the basis of prelim 1. मीटिंग तो मैंने prelim 1 के पहले ही लिया था ना, लेकिन मैंने prelim 1 के बेसिस पे ICB क्यों नहीं बनाया? मुझे पता था रिजल्ट यही आने वाला है. It was very well expected. Reason? That was your first offline exam after such a long time gap. And it is bound to happen. Number 1, राइटिंग स्पीड निकल गया है. नंबर 2, क्या लिखना है वो पता नहीं है, सब दिमाग में है, हाथ तक आता नहीं है. एंड इट इज क्लियरली सीन, प्रेजेंटेशन पैथेटिक. एट प्लेसेस वी आर नॉट एबल टू रीड व्हाट यू हैव रिटन. इफ एट ऑल द पेपर इज गिवन टू यू, आई एम 100% श्योर इवन यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू करेक्ट योर पेपर. इवन यू विल नॉट कम टू नो व्हाट यू हैव रिटन. इतना गंदा लिखा है. So basically, the result is not up to the mark. I am aware of it. So now we can't raise our hands. Result is not up to the mark. तो क्या करना है क्या उसके लिए? Obviously, अपने को improvement करना है. Yes or no? I can't see response. सब सदमे में गए. शायंती, improvement करना है कि नहीं करना है? करना है ना? भक्ति, वेदांत, improvement करना है ना? तो improvement करने के लिए जो इंस्ट्रक्शन मेरे से आने वाला है ना, वो इंस्ट्रक्शन आप लोगों को ब्लाइंडली फॉलो करना है. सबसे पहले, टुडे द डेट इज 3rd of March. Am I right? Okay. What corrective steps Praveen sir and Mahesh tutorials have taken for your benefit? Okay. Corrective step number 1. We are going to reteach you. We are going to reteach you maths के chapters. Now when I say reteach you, obviously the entire chapter can't be taught. पहले प्रीलिम 2 के पहले रिवीजन लेक्चर हुआ था, पता है? प्रवीण फड़के सर केम इन द बैच एंड रिवाइज ज्योमेट्री, जगन सर केम इन द बैच, रिवाइज अलजेब्रा, एक बार में सारे लेसन रिवाइज किए. दिस टाइम आई एम गोना प्लेस टीचर इन सच अ वे जहां पे वो एक टाइम पे एक चैप्टर रिवाइज करेंगे. दैट मीन्स जगन सर विल बी कमिंग 4 times. Why 4 times? Once he will come to revise, sorry, 3 times. Once he will come to revise quadratic equation. Second time he will revise arithmetic progression. The third time he will revise statistics. Praveen sir will come 4 times. Once for trigonometry. Second time surface area volume. Third time construction. Fourth time circles. And you know the best part? Out of the 7 math chapters, trigonometry पहले भी था term 1 में, trigonometry term 2 में भी है, बराबर? The term 1 trigonometry was very difficult as compared to term 2 trigonometry. Reason, the term 1 trigonometry was LHS RHS वाला trigonometry. The term 2 वाला trigonometry is word problem वाला trigonometry, जो अपने बाएं हाथ में खेले. इतना ही है, हमारा प्रैक्टिस नहीं हुआ है. तो रिवीजन लेक्चर्स में अच्छे से अटेंड करो, आइडिया मिल जाएगा. Is that clear? Okay, coming towards the second part. The second part is second chapter is surface area volume. Surface area volume was difficult in 9th standard. 10th standard का surface area volume is not difficult. Circle, again a chapter which we are familiar with. Statistics, 3 formulas, mean, median, mode. In fact mean में 3 formula है, median का एक formula है, mode का एक formula है. 5 formula से पूरा chapter हो जाता है अपना. Yes or no? The only focus we need to keep over here is slight difficult quadratic equation. जो जगन sir, I suppose from tomorrow when he will be having revision lecture, he will drill formula in such a way that वो दिमाग में बैठ जाएगा. I want you to take benefit of it. तो जिस तरह से मैथ्स का मैंने बोला, उस तरह से सारे सब्जेक्ट्स के डिटेल में रिवीजन होने वाला है. I know when it comes to physics, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के हम बाप है, but when it comes to numericals, डब्बागुल, रिएक्शंस डब्बागुल. तो वो कॉन्सेप्ट्स जहां पे हम लोग वीक पढ़ते हैं ना, वो कॉन्सेप्ट्स को वापस हैमर करेंगे. Is that clear everybody? And this revision lecture will be offline, 2 hands folded. Nobody will get an online option. Am I clear? Nobody has the online option. Compulsory offline. Is that clear? Offline का मतलब क्या है? Offline का मतलब ये नहीं है Zoom पे रहेगा, कैमरा बंद करके बैठेंगे हम लोग, वो offline नहीं है. Offline मतलब क्लास में आके अटेंड करना है. Am I clear? Online का ऑप्शन किसी को भी नहीं दे रहा हूं. Am I very clear in this meeting right now? Second thing, revision lectures are planned from tomorrow, that is 4th of March till 20th of March. Is that clear everyone? अभी हो सकता है इसके दौरान आपके स्कूल का एग्जाम रहेगा या स्कूल के कुछ एक्टिविटी रहेंगे, वो किसको एडजस्ट करना है? वो आपको एडजस्ट करना है. बिकॉज अब तक मैंने काफी सारे एडजस्टमेंट्स किए हैं, यू नो दैट. Now in this next 1.5 months, I can't make any adjustment because the moment I make adjustment, I need to delay my activity. The moment I delay my activity, future के लिए जो planning किया है, वो मैं execute नहीं कर पाऊंगा. Like for example, I will tell you till 20th March, revision lectures are planned. Obviously, revision lectures में teachers will tell plenty of important things. You will register over here and you will try to implement it. Implement करने के लिए एक exam तो लेना पड़ेगा ना? तो 21st ऑफ मार्च से 31st ऑफ मार्च के बीच में प्रीलिम 3 चलेगा. Am I clear? By 10th of April उसके पेपर्स भी मिल जाएंगे. Am I clear? And 1st of April से एडिशनल पेपर सॉल्विंग विल स्टार्ट. नॉट एट होम, घर पे बैठ के मत दो एग्जाम, मत दो, क्लास में आके एग्जाम देने का. रीजन, घर पे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई विल टेक एग्जाम्पल ऑफ आर्या महादिक. ओके, आर्या's mom loves Arya very much. तो आर्या से मम्मी प्लीज 15 मिनट दो ना, 20 मिनट दो ना. तो मम्मी क्या बोलती है? हाँ ठीक है, 15 मिनट ले ले, 20 मिनट ले ले. क्या मतलब है उस पेपर का? जो पेपर 120 मिनट्स में होना चाहिए उसके लिए आप 130 मिनट्स लोगे. व्हाट्स द यूज? तो मुझे वो बेनिफिट ऑफ डाउट नहीं चाहिए. इसीलिए additional paper practice will take place in the classes. Am I clear? And luckily in CBSE, we have many websites from where we can get additional papers. Am I clear? What you need to do is you need to just solve, have an understanding of different ways in which question can be asked. Is that clear? And you know the best part? The best part is term 2 is theory. CBSE के बच्चों का एक बेनिफिट है, थियरी पेपर में we can score well as compared to MCQ. Reason? थियरी में we need to elaborate answers. दिमाग में कॉन्सेप्ट बैठ गया, we can write. Right? It is not like MCQ. Right तो right, wrong तो wrong. ऐसा नहीं होता. Is that clear, everyone? So basically, yes, Kasturi, additional paper from 1st April. So basically, Nimish, yes, it will be offline, as I mentioned earlier. So basically, till 20th of March, you will be having your offline lectures, revision. I'll just share the timetable in front of you. Please let me know, is the Excel visible to all of you? Okay, so you can look over here. Kalyan mein, tomorrow's day, it is Praveen sir, who will be teaching geometry. Dombivli mein, it is Jagan sir, who will be teaching algebra. In Thane Ghodbandar, it will be Dharmishta ma'am, who will be teaching geography. And likewise, other centers, it will be different subjects. And all this thing you will get on your respective WhatsApp group. You need not copy this, you will get it. Is it clear? Any doubt? So when will the term 1 result be announced? Good, it is not announced. Am I clear? Term 2 result, term 2 का exam जो आने वाला है, theory based है. You have an excellent opportunity to score well on the basis of your theory papers. Even you know that. Am I clear? Like always, I will be posting your revision lecture schedule one day in advance on your respective WhatsApp group. Okay? You need to follow it. Kasturi is asking me, sir, additional paper solving is from 1st April till which date? Ideally, I believe एग्जाम के कम से कम 2-3 दिन पहले ना अपने आप को स्ट्रेस मत दो. अगर एंड तक लिखते रहोगे ना तो ऑन द डे ऑफ एग्जाम यू विल गेट टायर्ड. तो अगर 26 अप्रैल से एग्जाम है तो 22 तारीख तक लिखना आइडियली फिजिबल है, 22 ऑफ अप्रैल तक. Am I clear? Yes, Adi. Presentation skills will be informed to you in the lectures. Is it clear? Revision lecture will start from tomorrow, that is 4th of April. Sorry, 4th of March. Am I clear? As soon as this meeting will end, I will be posting the timetable on your respective WhatsApp group. Am I clear? And secondly, I will be conducting an important offline meeting before the boards separately for parents and students. तो जिस दिन पेरेंट्स का मीटिंग होगा उस मीटिंग में स्टूडेंट्स नहीं आएंगे, जिस दिन स्टूडेंट का मीटिंग होगा उस मीटिंग में पेरेंट्स नहीं आएंगे. Am I clear, everybody? My next online meeting which I'll be taking is after I forming the online ICB batches, and I had told you ICB batch won't be formed on the basis of prelim 1 because I expected a result. ICB will be formed on the basis of prelim 2. Prelim 2 recently got over. In next 6-7 days your papers will be evaluated. Am I clear? So basically by 15th of March you will get even your prelim 2 papers, and uske basis pe ICB batches will be formed. I'll keep you posted about the same. Is it clear, everybody? Only thing which is expected out of you all is strict follow-up of whatever, strict execution of whatever is coming from my side. Am I clear, everybody? And as I mentioned earlier, sir, मेरा स्कूल का एग्जाम है, मैं क्या करूं? मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता, आपको वो एडजस्ट करके देना पड़ेगा. Is that clear, everyone? Okay. Thank you so much for joining for the meeting, everyone. You may leave the meeting. I'm done from my side. we will meet at Dombivli branch soon, but before that we'll be having one round of online meeting जहां पर ICB के बारे में गाइडेंस दिया जाएगा. ठीक है? बाय बाय एवरीवन एंड टेक केयर. Yes, Krishna Shish, you have raised your hand. You may post your doubt in the chat box. Okay. Thank you very much, everyone. Bye bye. Take care. Surya, where are you? Can you switch on the video, Surya? Surya Krishnamurthy. टर्म 1 के रिजल्ट के बारे में कोई जानकारी नहीं है, कभी आएगा. ओके, सो देयर इज नो क्लैरिटी ऑन व्हेन द टर्म 1 रिजल्ट बी डिक्लेयर्ड. ओके.